Welcome to SAP Easiest Guide for Beginners. In this course, you will find all about SAP. Also, why SAP positions and roles are so attractive in the market. Let's begin. Here we see 3 target audience for this course. 1. SAP End User and Super User. 2. Job seekers who'd like to apply for global companies which use SAP. 3. Companies who want to implement SAP. In this course, you will understand 3 points. 1. What is SAP and ERP? 2. Importance of SAP skills. 3. How to get started with SAP. Here is my introduction. My name is Liwa. I am currently SAP Implementation Leader in Global Trading Company. I have completed end-to-end SAP rollout projects and BPO project for India and Japan companies. I have played role of finance controller and manager for 17 years plus. I am US Certified Public Accountant, which is called US CPA. Now we look at the data for who uses SAP. 92% of Forbes 2000 companies are using SAP. Globally, 440,000 companies are already operating SAP software. These companies operate business in 190+ countries. This is example of big-name companies who are currently using SAP. You also see industries of these companies are very diverse, which means SAP can support so many industry operations. What is SAP? SAP is German software company. SAP is the world's largest ERP software company. SAP stands for System, Application and Product. SAP have more than 100,000 employees currently. This is the history of SAP ERP product. In 2006, ECC 6 was introduced. In 2015, S/4 HANA was introduced. In 2027, SAP will end ECC support. This means that all companies who currently using ECC need to switch their ERP to other ERP, such as S/4 HANA. Now let's look at what is ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP as software unifies and integrates various processes of an organization. ERP helps the company to automate most of their operations. This is the normal end-to-end business process from purchase to sales and cash collection. ERP does cover all of these processes and help companies to operate their business in most automated way at real-time basis. These are the common SAP job roles for end users and also SAP technical support. Technical support includes SAP consultant and SAP developer who support companies to implement SAP. Now you see some exciting number for SAP-related job salaries. These are over $100,000 and even increasing annually. As I mentioned in previous slide, SAP will stop to support ECC in 2027. Now, many companies rush to switch their ERP from ECC to S/4 HANA, hence SAP job market is kept to be very attractive. Let's look at why SAP so powerful. SAP is the customizable product to make sure to fit any industry and business, such as bank, insurance, retail, oil and gas, internet services. SAP is the global standard system which is already implemented in more than 190 countries. SAP supports any currency and meet legal compliance which are unique to that country. This is very cost-effective for companies to implement ERP compared to build their own ERP from scratch. SAP does cover companies' end-to-end process with multiple modules, such as sales and distribution, material management, and finance. Today you already understood, what is SAP? Why SAP so powerful? Why SAP role and positions are important? In next course, you may find more technical insight such as details of SAP modules, SAP data structure, organizational structure. I will see you in next course. All your best.